Today I'm excited to share something special with you. It's our client capture, conversion, and control kit. This kit is packed with essential resources that can transform your recruiting and staffing business. So here's a quick look at what you are going to get. It's free. The first resource is 30 days to leads, loyalty, and leverage secure high-quality clients with a proven 30-day system. The second resource is cold email lead machine, the tech you need to ensure your emails land where they should in the primary inbox. The third resource is recruiting and staffing agreement templates, ready to use adaptable staffing, contingency, and retained agreements. And then the fourth resource is how to use AI to run your staffing and recruiting agency, a comprehensive course to help you streamline and scale your operations with AI. These are all free resources. They're linked in the description below, so make sure you grab them. Now, I'm not just here to tell you about the kit. I want to give you some actionable strategies that you can start using right now to grow your business. If you're in the recruiting or staffing business, you already know how challenging it can be to consistently land high quality clients, convert leads, and maintain control over your agency's growth. So today, I'm not just here to tell you about resources, I'm here to give you actionable strategies that you can start using right now to transform your business. Each resource in the client capture, conversion, and control kit is designed specifically for staffing and recruiting professionals and entrepreneurs like you, offering real solutions to the challenges that you face every day. One of the biggest mistakes recruiting agencies make is trying to serve everyone. The truth is, not every potential client is right for you. To really capture and convert, you need to start by identifying your ideal client. Who are they? What are their biggest challenges? What solutions can you provide that no one else can? Start by creating a detailed client persona. You want to understand their industry, the roles they need to fill, their pain points, and what success looks like for them. This will not only help you target your marketing efforts, but will also make your sales conversations much more effective. Now that you know who you're targeting, let's talk about how to reach them. Cold emailing can be a gold mine if done right, but it's also easy to end up in the junk folder. The key is to land in the primary inbox, and that requires the right tech setup. In the cold email lead machine, part of our kit, we outline the tools that you need to stay out of the spam folder. Okay, things like email authentication, domain reputation management, and a lot more. If you're still trying to send bulk emails from your CRM, you are dead in the water. So use the tech stack outlined in the guide instead. Once you've captured the client's attention and they're ready to move forward, it's crucial to have a strong agreement in place. This isn't just about legal protection. It's about setting the right expectations and making sure that both parties are on the same page, making sure you get paid lots of money. Our recruiting and staffing agreement templates are fully adaptable and designed to get you up and running quickly. But even if you're using your own template, you got to make sure it's clear, you got to make sure it's concise, make sure it covers both your responsibilities and the client's responsibilities. And this is where many recruiting agencies lose out on valuable revenue due to misunderstandings or a lack of clarity in the scope. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about scalability. So as your agency grows, you're going to find yourself juggling multiple tasks, and that's where AI comes in. By automating repetitive tasks, you can save time and focus on what really matters, which is building relationships and closing deals. So in our course, How to Use AI to Run Your Staffing and Recruiting Agency, we cover the top AI tools that can help you streamline processes from candidate sourcing to client management. Imagine increasing your efficiency by 300%. It's not just possible, it's happening right now. Each of these resources is designed to give you a competitive edge, helping you capture more clients, close more leads, and ultimately control the growth of your agency. So if you're ready to stop leaving money on the table and start scaling your agency like never before, you're going to want to grab the client capture, conversion, and control kit today. It's linked in the description below. Remember, this is more than just information. It's a toolkit for transformation. Start implementing these strategies now and watch your business grow. And I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies to grow your recruiting and staffing business, but more importantly, for saving time, making way more money, and upgrading your life. I'll see you in the next video.